And now for the question everybody asks, how does a cookie work? When you visit a website for the first time, let's say an online shop, the website places a cookie on your hard drive with its own unique identifying number. This ID is then used by the site to maintain track of your session. The session is your entire visit to their website from beginning to end. It does this to keep track of things like which items you put in your shopping cart, or which items you looked at. So, it can recommend similar items or even save coupon codes for you to use later, even if you close out of the website and return to it later. They serve many more purposes than this, but these are just a few of the most common. A cookie is solely unique to that website, so they can't track you on another website. To be honest, this is not true, because there is another type of cookie known as a third-party cookie, which I will demonstrate with an example. Assume you're surfing the internet and come across a website with a button to like or share on Facebook. This button must communicate with Facebook.com, which means that Facebook can now send their own cookies through this website in order to track your activities and then most likely serve up some targeted ads in your Facebook newsfeed later. Such things prompted Europe to establish Gdpr, a universal law on the protection of data that enables users, if they want, to opt out of the usage of cookies. However, not all cookies violate your privacy. In fact, they usually make your web experience more enjoyable and save you a lot of time and hassles. Now, if you run your own website and you want to be GDPR compliant, you should install a plugin on your WordPress website. You may find many plugins in the WordPress library. Some of them are free and some are paid. The best plugin I have found is called GDPR Cookie Consent, which, by the way, is free. Follow me and click the link in my bio for more WordPress tips every day.